her nest cavity. She's going to survey the surrounding areas first. Oh, off she goes. Let's see if she likes it. Oh, that was very fast. She likes that nest cavity. So at this point, the male will bring her mud. And she will mix it up with mashed fruits and even her own droppings to create a strong seal. Speaking of her mate, everyone who right up there, let's welcome Sunny, the great pie cardinal. So right now, Sunny is getting
everyone. Did you guys hear that? We said welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's say that one more time. Can you call it to welcome everyone? Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay, you need the sound of the rooster. Can you do the sound of the cat? You still have to speak. Okay, can you do the sound of the cat? Very good, cat. Okay, got another sound, more high-tech sound. Sound of the telephone. Telephone is silent. Can you tell the increase? Can you do sound of the telephone? Very good. Can you please see a big hand, everyone?
oh, very realistic, I must say. Now, when parrots copy sounds in the wild, they are mimicking their family members. But when they pick up human sounds like that, they are mimicking what they hear around them.
Did you guys hear how loud that was? So don't think twice. Actually, no. Think about 100 times before you get yourself a pet parrot. And with that, thank you, Quincy and Amigo, a big hand, everyone.
But every year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are sold into pet trades. And as a result, these two species are now critically endangered. Amazonian parrots like Quincy and Amigo can live up to 50 years in captivity. You may think that they're going to make good pets, but sadly, they won't.
That's right, everyone. So if you're getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come on down to Bird Paradise and see all of your favorite birds instead?
I like that idea, Basil. So what's next?
Actually, I have to go. Yeah, I'm so sorry. But don't worry, I'll be handing over this next day of this journey to my good friend YY. We'll share with you and everyone else around here all the other beautiful birds that reside in Bird Paradise. So thank you. Bye, everybody.